Continuing on, CNC Group break number 2696. We're on to the 1213 Black Diamond and certified. And we start with an Ice Premieres to 9.99 for the Boston Bruins, Maxime Sauve. Double Diamond for the Flyers, Ron Hextall. Triple Diamond Rookie for the Colorado Avalanche, Mike Connolly. Base. We've got a Quad Diamond Ruby, number to 100 for the Atlanta Thrashers, a.k.a. the Winnipeg Jets, Ilya Kovalchuk. A double diamond for the Stars, Jamie Benn. Base. Triple diamond for the Flyers, Claude Giroux. Dual jersey for the St. Louis Blues, Chris Stewart. Triple diamond rookie for the New York Islanders, Matt Donovan. Base. Double diamond for the Predators, Pekka Rinne. Dual jersey for the St. Louis Blues, David Backes. Double diamond for the Oilers, Jordan Eberle. Quad diamond rookie for the St. Louis Blues, Jake Allen. Double diamond for the Rangers, Ryan Callahan. Base. We've got a Hardware Heroes, number to 100 for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Quad diamond for the San Jose Sharks, Teemu Selanne. Triple diamond for the Canadian, Jean Beliveau. Triple diamond rookie for the Florida Panthers, Colby Roback. We got a single diamond ruby, number to 100 for the Calgary Flames, Matt Stajan. Double diamond for the Oilers, Bill Ranford. We finish the black diamond with a triple diamond for the Stars, Neil Broughton. All right, on to the 12-13. Certified now. This box doesn't like me. Maybe it's all the thick, patchy goodness inside that's not keeping it still. All right, we start with a mirror red, number to 199 for the Dallas Stars. Louis Eriksson. Break over. It's over, man. It's over. We've got a Path to the Cup dual jersey, number to 250, which will be random between the Flyers and Penguins. Scott Hartnell and Marc-Andre Fleury. It was. Got an Immortals to 999 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Dougie Gilmour. We've got a freshman signatures mirror blue, number to 99 for the New York Islanders, Aaron Ness. We've got a certified icons, number to 250 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Stan Mikita. We got a fabric of the game, number to 299 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Anders Lindback. We've got a Path to the Cup duel, number to 399, which will be random between the Blues and Sharks, BJ Crombeen and Antti Niemi. We've got a certified stars to 999 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. And a freshman signatures to 999 for the Minnesota Wild, Tyler Kuma. Base. And base. Exciting finish to that box. Alright, coming up next, Retro and Crown Royal.